everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be talking to you about vitamin C in skincare. Now vitamin C has been really hyped, so that's the reason why I'm here to talk to you about if and how vitamin C is beneficial for your skin, and also how to use it. You can't just go ahead and take some orange or lime and put it all over your face and be like, I've got my vitamin C dose. No, that's not how it works. So there's a proper method and also a proper time to use it. So that is all the points I'm going to be covering today. First off, talking about how it benefits your skin. Well, vitamin C is one of the most potent antioxidants out there. Our skin, it goes through a lot of harsh environmental factors like the sun, the UV rays, also the pollution, the dust. All of these factors could result in early aging. So you might end up getting lines, wrinkles, and your skin can start to sag, lose its elasticity, and also you can end up getting pigmentation or dark spots and uneven skin tone. So what an antioxidant does is it protects your skin against these environmental factors. Basically, vitamin C is anti-aging in nature, so that means it prevents your skin from aging sooner than it's supposed to. That's the reason why vitamin C is great if you use it in the morning in your morning skincare routine, and also use a sunscreen after your vitamin C, because a vitamin C does not replace your sunscreen, but it definitely boosts the effectiveness of your sunscreen. Secondly, vitamin C is also great for boosting collagen production, and collagen is the protein in your skin that actually helps to maintain the elasticity of your skin. It really makes your skin firm, tight and healthy. So vitamin C not just boosts the collagen production, but at the same time it also prevents collagen from breaking down, so it actually preserves the collagen as well. Thirdly, vitamin C prevents the production of melanin, and melanin is the reason why we get pigmentation on our skin, we get an uneven skin tone, and also dark spots across our skin. So that is where vitamin C comes into play, and it can actually help to brighten these areas over a period of time. So today I wanted to talk to you guys about this new range of vitamin C product that I've been using. So this is basically by Lakme, and this is their 9 to 5 vitamin C range. So they've come up with a facial serum, a day cream, and a night cream. Now the key ingredient in this serum is kakadu plum. I'm not sure if you've heard about it, but it is the fruit with the most amount of vitamin C content in it. I mean, it has 55 to 100 times more vitamin C than oranges and kiwis. This serum also has vitamin E in it, which is always great, especially whenever you're purchasing a vitamin C product. Make sure to look out for either ferulic acid or vitamin E as another ingredient, because vitamin C in itself is very unstable, which means like once it comes in contact with air or light, it gets destroyed instantly. So vitamin E basically helps to stabilize the vitamin C in this product, and it also helps the vitamin C to absorb well into your skin. And at the same time, it has a very dark glass packaging, which is another thing you want to keep in mind whenever you're buying a vitamin C product, because vitamin C, like I said, if it stays exposed for too long, it loses its potency. So always try to store your vitamin C in a cool, dark place, and try to put on the lid as soon as you're done using the product. So you get 30 mils of product in this bottle, and it comes for rupees 549, which I think is very affordable. And I just take about 3 to 4 pumps all over my face, and then I go ahead and massage it into my skin till the product is absorbed. And because it has a very thin, watery consistency, it absorbs really quickly. As you can see, it feels like I have nothing on my skin, but at the same time it feels like I just gave my skin a drink of water. So it feels really hydrated and plump, but at the same time it feels very light. That makes it perfect for using both during the daytime as well as during the night time. Also guys, if you have sensitive skin, acne prone skin, or any sort of troubled skin, you want to stay away from vitamin C serums that claim to have very high percentages of vitamin C in them, because you know, high doses of vitamin C can be quite irritating on your skin, especially if you have problem skin. So this vitamin C serum has 2% of active vitamin C in there, so it's a very mild form of vitamin C, which means people with every skin type can use this. Even if you have sensitive or acne prone skin, you can definitely use this. It has this most beautiful citrusy scent to it, which is very mild, but at the same time it's so pleasant, like super refreshing. So every time after cleansing my face, I go ahead and use the serum first, and after that I follow up with these moisturizers. So I have both the day as well as the night cream. So the day cream has vitamin C, vitamin E, and shea butter as ingredients in it, and as you can see, the consistency of this one is again very lightweight. It has sort of a lotiony sort of texture, and yeah, it instantly gets absorbed. And I think it's also because it has pink undertones in it. It kind of instantly gives a brighter look to my skin. I think it's always a good idea to, you know, layer up products that contain similar ingredients, because that way you will be getting a higher dose of vitamin C in this case. In the night time, after using my serum, I like to follow up with the night cream, and the night cream has vitamin C in it, and at the same time it has muru butter and glycerin in it, and I think that's the reason why this has a slightly more thicker consistency and texture as compared to the day cream. For me, I personally love using these sort of thicker, more richer creams during the night time, because that's when I want my skin to, you know, regenerate itself, to heal itself. So you want to add a lot of nourishing products to your skin. So this cream is just perfect for that. I can certainly say that these products have, you know, helped in brightening up my skin, making my skin look a lot more even, and at the same time it feels very plump, very healthy. Especially now with the warm weather, I've been really enjoying using these. Before I go, I just wanted to share my code with you guys. You can avail a 10% off using my code on all of these products. So if you're interested, I will leave all of the links down in the description box. So I really hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you did, please don't forget to share it with your friends, and also don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like these, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.